Okay, so this is Mikey here, and in front of me I got Mackie ProFx6 version 3. It's a mixer with Onyx preamps, a USB interface, so it actually doubles up as a audio interface for your PC as well. I did a video earlier, that's why his box is open, and I absolutely blew it. So I am remaking this, and yeah, in the box you get in the mixer, USB cable. It's USB A to I think that's B. Yeah, power brick. Yeah, it's a power brick with the UK. I got the switcher for it so I can use it in my system because I got European mainland European plugs. So let's go get into the mixer here. I'm not a musician. I'm not going to use it for making music. I'm going to be using it uh, for streaming, maybe some podcasting things. I haven't decided yet, but I got a really good price. I bought this bit bigger version, a little bit more stuff on there, if you want to say. You got so let's start with the stuff I'm not going to be using mostly anyway. That this is a FX engine. I think it's called GigaFX FX engine. Yeah, you can see it's right here, and it's very simple. You got 24 effects built in hardware encoded into the machine. You cannot change them. You cannot reprogram them. You got a little knob here. You just tab it around, rotate it around, and then click on it to get the effects you want. Here you got effects on or mute. So I'm not going to be using that because it sounds good for people that's singing, want to be maybe in front of a PC and doing like a what is everybody using nowadays? Zoom, some Zoom platform with guitar and shit. Yeah, it's probably fun. Some really great musicians on there. So, and as you can see, I'm on the floor here because I don't have a tripod high enough to get on the desk, and I'm using a microphone on an arm here. So I'm trying to keep my mouth closed because it's a Rode pod mic. It likes proximity. So I'm trying to get everything lined up. Sorry if I go up and down on the volume a little bit. So you got 6 inputs or 6 channels. So the first channel is XLR combo jack, so you can put in a 1/4 inch. The second one as well, and they're both got phantom power. You turn it on, turn it off with that button. That is one button that controls both of them. Yeah. So let's go through the strip here. The second strip is the same as the first strip. So you got high C, and that's for people that want to use it for, let's say, a guitar. So you want to put in the high C when you're using the guitar. It has something to do with resistance or something. I don't exactly know the lingo for it. You just need to use it when you're using guitars and stuff like that. And you got low cut. Low cut is good for rumbly noises in your voice, like real low end. So it is like a roll off. Uh, you got 6. Yeah. So you got yourself your gain, your strip gain, and you got on the mic. You got from Unity. You got all the way up to 60 dB of gain, plus 60 on guitars or line. I think it is. You got plus 40, negative 20. So, and you got the level set little LED there is awesome. And then you got a 2 position, no, not 2 position, 2 level EQ. So you got high and low, and that goes from negative 15 to positive 15. And the high is 12 kilohertz and low is 80 hertz. So, and then you got the FX on and off. for both strips. And here you got a button that you can, so it becomes a dedicated left and right channel on mic 1 and 2, or line 1, strip 1 and 2. So on the second part, we're going to go through here, the one I'm going to be actually using as well. You got line in, left and right, balanced, unbalanced. You got a 3.5 jack. Also, that's awesome, actually. You can use your telephone, MP3 player, whatever you want. Just patch in a call from Zoom or whatever. And then you got, this is the level for your line. So you got the strip level here, your volume, you could call it. And yeah, so you need to be able to set the transmission of your on the line from the other product. So if you have a keyboard, you need to set the volume on the keyboard a little bit higher. So you can just put it to Unity, and then you can do it on that one. The same with the 5 and 6 here. It needs, so you set the volume on, let's say, your tablet or phone. So you got a good line in, and then you got your strip level here. And this also goes as USB 3 and 4. And you got USB 1 and 2 over here, and that you can dedicate to go straight to headphones. Yeah, and that is mostly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have the PC coming back with sound from games, from chat, whatever. And I'm going to have it come in to the USB 1 and 2. And only go to headphones, not out to the main mix. Because the main mix is then going to be split up into my speakers, if I want to listen to music, and into my other PC. So I just want to clear mic input on that one. So, and for you guys that know this stuff, you got the main output volume here. You got a mute all over here. You got balanced, unbalanced, quarter inch. You got XLRs left and right as well. You got it needs the power brick. Cannot be self-contained on the USB. So so you don't need the PC if you don't want to. You can just run it off this power button and USB. I don't know what more to say. You get in the box as well instruction book, and also a guide to different models. You get some free software, waveform OEM. I think it's a DAW. I'm quite sure it's a DAW, actually. It looks like it on the image in the background. So, guys, I hope you liked the video. It's quite new to mixers and stuff. So if you have any questions, specific, just put them down in the text, in the chat, and I will maybe do another video. Show you the full setup, what I'm going to use it for. Because this has some awesome features as well that I cannot explain, because it has to do with the FX and stuff. So I got some more videos coming up as well with PC building. I've done a couple of new PCs. I'm rebuilding an old PC. Actually, the only thing I'm going to be using from the old PC is some of the fittings, the GPU, and also the CPU. Otherwise, it's new motherboard, new case. New power supply as well. It's almost brand new. It's gonna be my new streaming PC. It used to be my gaming PC, but I built a new one. So, and I lost the footage of when I was building a new one. So that's also me being clumsy, of course. And then I had another video corrupted, and then I've been locked out of my account for a bit. So I hope you guys forgive me for not uploading any videos for a while. And if you have anything specific you want to see, that from any old video or anything, I'm gonna do some comparison also. I saw some messages wanted to do some comparisons with Hawk and Motherload. I'm gonna do that as well. Yeah, some stuff coming up, some new stuff. I'm learning also some FX software and stuff like this. So some fun stuff coming. Yeah, have a nice day, guys. See ya. Bye.